ASHIS,
Mr. BEHERA, ASHIS, please take your seat. Please introduce yourself to us.
I am ASHIS BEHERA. I belongs to.
ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ନହେଲେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ.
I'm just nervous.
You don't worry, you relax. This is a mock interview.
I came for draft analysis, but accidentally I appeared in my interview. Okay, I will try. Sir, I am ASHIS BEHERA. I am from Jagsingpur district, and I belong to a lower middle class family, and I done my education. I belong to.
Correct English.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ହେଲା ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖୁ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ବଡି ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ବଡି ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜରେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଲାକ୍ସ ହେବା ଦରକାର ଆଉ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନରେ ଯାହା ତମେ କହୁଛ ଆଉ ତମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କୁହ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ
ସାର୍ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିବୁ କିଛି ଇଂଲିଶ ତ
ନଟ୍ ଆନ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେବ ପରା ଏଠି
ଓକେ
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ୟୁପିଏସସି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେବ ତମେ ଯଦି ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଇଂଲିଶ ମିଶେଇକି କହିବୁ ତାହେଲେ maybe that it may be taken against you, but remember one thing. तमर दी कंटेंट अच्छी तमे ठीक ठाक कंटेंट अच्छी लोक एगुड़ा सब किसी देखु ना साउथ इंडियन पिलागर केते हेवी एक्सेंट होची बंगाली पिलागर केते एक्सेंट होची
साउथ इंडियन
सब सब पाइ कंटेंट देखुछु हम कोन से कहूची कोनटा कहूची केमिति कहूची नै तो शशि थरूर न जे का माने फैंटास्टिक वे रे करत कि दरकार को हां
ओके सर when I introduce myself, what should I
no, that will suggest later. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Let's get into it.
So you are a student of mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
But you got
honors, sir. I done my honors, means +3 BSc mathematics honors.
Just give me a difference between differentiation and integration.
Differentiation and integration.
No, that is the main.
Yes.
Okay, select. What is the implication of zero?
Zero. Oh yes, zero is a special number in mathematics, and if you put zero at the right side of any number, any digit, it will increases the digit's value 10 times more.
You are a mathematician. Tell like
so, yes, sir. I am a mathematician, but it accidentally. It is not my. I don't like to, means I didn't love to read maths, but I accidentally got the honors because I didn't score enough mark to having physics or chemistry. I like to.
Is it a contribution of Indians to mathematics?
Yes, Aryabhat. So, yes, sir.
Suppose zero was not invented or discovered.
Yes, sir.
What would have happened?
So it would be.
कौन असुविधा होता
Yes.
जीरो जब न था कौन असुविधा होता कितने जिन चाहिए नता माइनस ही नता डेसिमल ही नता पाई ही नता कितने जिन चाहिए नता कंप्यूटर चल नता बाइनरी रे जीरो वन रे कितने कथा है What is the algorithm?
I have no idea.
Okay. So, why did you keep geography as your optional?
Because since my childhood or adulthood, I am interested to know about nature and predict the nature. Means when it will be rain or something. I always interested in nature to know it better way. And
okay. Can you tell 3 mountain ranges? Three
yes,
major
sir.
mountain ranges.
Yes, sir. The Himalayan ranges, the Rockies, and the Andes.
3. Achha. There is a place where 3 major mountain ranges meet.
3 mountain ranges meet. Means
3 major mountain ranges meet.
It can be Tibetan Plateau. That means yes, Hindu Kush, the Himalayas, and
Yeah, you are right. So what is the third?
Sorry, sir.
Another is Karakoram.
Karakoram. This okay.
It's a north
North.
Pakistan. ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ
Okay, sir.
है ना? अच्छा, okay. What is the reason of this erratic rainfall?
Yes, there are absolutely no major reason. Means the scientific team didn't clear about it, but there are many speculation about the climate change.
What are those speculations?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Most of scientists or scientific community, there is giving this erratic rainfalls or climatic response to the more emission of carbon, methane into the atmosphere, and which is a positive loop effect on our environment that causes more and more adverse climatic destruction.
Okay. Have you heard about El Nino?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
El Nino is a climatic condition that happen in Pacific Ocean, and due to this, the Indian monsoon become erratic, or the rainfall become decreases or increases.
It is a climatic condition or it's a current?
Yes, that oceanic current that flows from Peruvian coast to the Australian or Oceania's areas. That means Australia, the Oceania, where the Oceania continent.
So is there any connection between the El Nino effect and erratic rainfall here?
Yes, sir. It seems to be, means some views are there that causes that links between El Nino and our monsoon, Indian monsoon. That is that causes some erratic, because actually the temperature, the higher pressure belt created over Peruvian side.
Okay.
Okay, sir. But at the same time, it is another low pressure created on the eastern Australian side, and that low pressure deviated the the southwest monsoon when it tries to start from Madagascar areas to the Indian Ocean, and when it try to.
Okay. It is said that the Odisha is a land of 6 deltas. Can you say which are those 6 deltas?
Okay, I am not done it, but I will try. Can I try, sir?
Try.
Yes, sir. Deltas. So first is Godavari Delta.
Godavari Delta is in Odisha.
Indravati is the tributaries of Godavari. Is it? I don't. Sorry, I am confused about it.
Okay.
Indravati.
What is delta?
Delta means a landform created by the river when it discharges the residue to the ocean. So I know. Okay,
when Godavari meets Bay of Bengal, is it in Odisha?
But we can call it. It's part of the Andhra Pradesh, but it's some part. Indravati is a part of. I think so.
Have you heard about that?
No, sir.
Geography
Yes, I just guessed an intelligent guess. Okay,
there are 6 major river systems.
Okay, Brahmani.
You start from north.
Okay. There is Subarnarekha Delta.
Yes.
Then Brahmani and Baitarin Delta. Then Mahanadi Delta. Then Mahanadi Delta. Then Devi River Delta.
You read all these things because geography is, don't guess. Huh?
Okay, sir.
You have mentioned in your hobbies that you review movies.
Yes.
Now tell me, if I have to ask you that one of the movies recently which got a lot of traction is Chandu Champion. Have you seen that movie?
Sorry, sir, I have not.
There's another movie also, 12th Fail,
Yes,
which got a national award. Have you seen that?
No, sir.
Any particular movie that you have seen and you like to review? Let me see. I write film reviews very regularly. That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
You tell me one movie that.
This means recently, or that should be
Anything, any time.
Swades movie.
So that was a long time back.
Okay, then-
Shah Rukh Khan, something recently. This is a wonderful movie. So this is a
Yes, sir. Recent, sir.
recent.
So last movie I seen,
Okay.
that's Maidan.
Okay.
Okay, Maidan. That is the lead by the Ajay Devgan.
That guy.
Yes, sir.
Why did you like that movie?
So,
This Chandu Champion is in the same genre.
yes, sir. I
Yeah, that the same kind of thing. Maidan.
okay, sir.
Why did you like Maidan?
Maidan is a movie where means a football team were arranged at the time when there was lack of resources, lack of
That
encouragement.
exceptional drive that a person has to become a
Yes,
inspiration for students in football.
yes, sir.
So, have you heard a concept called basic structure in the Constitution, the Indian Constitution? We say there is a basic structure.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is that basic structure?
Yes, there is no particular about this, but Constitution have not the Constitution had not mentioned about basic structure. But
Okay.
the case you can guess the what could be a basic structure on the basis of Supreme Court cases.
Which case gave rise to this particular concept?
Just means
Kesavananda Bharati.
yes, Kesavananda Bharati case 1973.
What are the basic structures?
Yes, that can be right to privacy.
That
Means-
they mentioned in 1973 right to privacy.
No, sir.
Then let's talk about
Case
yes,
Panadhi.
right to privacy is now a right to life. It's a fundamental right. When was it made a fundamental right? Right to privacy.
Right to privacy.
Which case?
Which case? Sorry, sir.
Puttaswamy case.
Okay, sir.
But tell me some other features of basic structure.
Sir, basic structure. Like the federalism of Indian Constitution.
Very good answer. Very
Okay,
good
sir.
answer. Okay.
The federalism.
Anything else? Just tell me three, four.
Okay, sir. I will try. The federalism.
What do you understand by federalism?
Federalism is a coexistence between union and state, where
Coexistence or something else?
it's more than coexistence. It means cooperation, coexistence, and coalition.
The Constitution,
Yes, sir.
in its seventh schedule,
Yes, sir.
says what are the powers of the state, what are the powers of the center, and what are the concurrent lists.
Yes.
So federalism means center and states having clear set of powers,
Yes, sir.
like law and order.
Yes, sir.
Is a state subject. If there is a problem here in Odisha, the central government cannot send army or this thing without request of Odisha government.
Yes, sir.
That is federalism. Anything else?
Federalism. Then the judiciary system, the appointment of judges.
Or it is independence of the judges.
Yes, means independent judiciary system. It can be.
Try to brush up karna. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What is a budget? What do you understand by budget?
Budget means
Just define a budget.
Okay,
Wow. Supposing I say this is Odisha budget.
Okay.
It reflect what?
it reflects a annual
Yes.
an annual expenditure and the revenue draft of the
Very-
government of India.
You can say income.
Yes, sir.
Expenditure and income. Supposing there is a deficiency, what
Yes,
do we call that?
That is fiscal deficiency, I think so.
Fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit. How is it different from revenue deficit?
Fiscal deficit.
There are two terms: fiscal
Yes, sir.
deficit, revenue deficit. Also, primary deficit. Let me check up with you on the revenue deficit. What is the difference between a revenue deficit and a fiscal deficit?
Sir, I'm not clear. Can I make a statement?
Yeah,
about
yeah,
this?
no problem.
Just I have to first.
There is an act.
Fiscal deficit.
There was an act through which they suggested that this should be the fiscal deficit. Do you remember that act?
No, sir. Sorry.
FRPM Act 2003. Please brush up your knowledge of
Yes, sir.
economics a little bit. Budget.
Sir, can I make some notes?
No problem, no problem. Today I will take a class around 6:30. If you are there, please do attend.
Sir, I didn't prepare, sir.
Okay.
So I just
So do prepare.
Okay, sir.
Please do
Can
prepare.
you can sir proceed? I can learn from this panel. Okay, as you how you approach to any candidate.
See, my own sense of you, since he asked a number of questions, I thought that you were quite good in geography. That was my
Yes.
my impression.
But
There is a sense that you may be knowing many things, but you are slightly diffident. You are taking little time, to warm up, to come up with an answer. But you know quite a few things. Like for instance, your answer on federalism, I thought was very, very good. Very, very good. Basic concepts you should be very clear.
You can improve.
You can
Yes, sir.
improve.
Yes.
You have definitely a chance to make it.
okay, sir.
Provided you, when is your interview?
13th.
E30. So पूरा इसमें लग जाओ पूरा.
Okay,
You
sir.
don't move here and there and
Okay, sir.
waste your time.
Okay, sir.
So let me ask a last question. This, our Prime Minister went to Russia first, then went to Ukraine.
Yes.
So many people think that this was not a correct thing for him to do. What is your take on this? India, Russia, Ukraine relationship.
Okay, sir.
It's a triangular issue. How do you look at it? I mean, if India is taking a certain position, why is it taking that kind of a position?
It is it is a balance. It's a global balancing or
That India is doing?
Yes, sir.
Balancing. We
Means-
call it a certain term, there is a certain term that is used for this.
is non-aligned.
Is it non-alignment or strategic autonomy?
Yes, sir.
Earlier it was non-aligned movement. When
Yes.
Nehru was there, we believed in non-alignment. We still haven't cast that aside.
Okay.
But now we are talking of strategic autonomy.
Strategic.
Autonomy. And we are looking at our own interests. So we have been supporting Russia because we are heavily dependent on them for our defense items, oil.
ମୁଁ 230 around ଗଲେ ହବ?
At the same time, India also thinks that
ଠିକ ଅଛି.
Ukraine has been very badly affected by the war.
Okay, sir.
Many people innocent people have died, and so therefore it is trying to maintain a strategic autonomy.
Okay, sir.
ये जो अच्छी सब जो international conflicts अच्छी घटी के पढ़िए,
Okay, sir.
budget टिके पढ़िए, अब सार्चिंती बच्चे लोगों को
Mathematics, I left to mathematics.
Other-
Necessarily mathematics न पचारि पारନ୍ତି.
ना पचारी.
Okay, sir. I will get some knowledge about it.
So you must not say जे मु पाइली नहीं physics पाइली नहीं.
ସେମିତି କହିବେନି. Be positive.
ना, एटा एकदम. See, supposing, just to give an example, I didn't get physics honors. I got economics honors. So the whole idea is that you should excel whatever you get.
Okay, sir.
Life रे जोटा तुम्हें
Do
पाइला.
you know that mathematics is the mother of all?
Okay, sir. I always proud to be.
No, but then
I didn't.
you gave an impression as if मु पाइली नहीं हो किसी नहीं.
Sorry, sir.
Mathematics and philosophy.
Means,
These are the two subjects from which everything has.
But sir, when I read mathematics, I didn't feel something. I can imagine the.
So
Mathematics was not my major.
Okay, sir.
More past subject thila.
Okay, sir.
But I still
You
am interested
love-
in.
yes,
I
sir.
love mathematics.
That's why. Sir, sir.
So never see whatever has been your prime discipline. I feel very proud that I did economics. Though I wanted to study political science to become an IAS officer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, but I tried my best to do well in my
Sorry.
subject and be respected for that. ठीक अछि. All the best.
Sir, can I?
you are-
Sir, can I have a paper?
No problem. Yes.
Sorry, sir.
No problem.
Sir, can I
You are a
make
decent-
points on the mathematics? What should be a question on
No,
mathematics? Sir?
ସେମିତି କିଛି କହିବ.
No, no, it's means.
ମାନେ first thing ହେଲା ଯେ mathematics ର basic there are some tricky questions on
Okay, sir.
mathematics.
Zero-
ରାମାନୁଜମ ଉପରେ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି.
Means when I answered G about the zero, what could be more effective?
It's କ'ଣ କି mathematics ରେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ knowledge ସେଠି test କରିବେନି. Mathematics related କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ରାମାନୁଜମ ଉପରେ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି ହେଲା
Okay.
ଜିରୋ ଉପରେ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି ବାଇନାରୀ
ଖାଇଦେ।
ଉପରେ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି ଏମିତି କେତେ ଜିନିଷ
ଆସୁ
ପଚାରି
ଆସୁ
Means,
ପୁରା ତିନିଟା
the difference between integration and
ସେଇଟା
derivative.
କଣ ଖାଲି ମୋ ମନକୁ ଆସିଲା ନା କଣ
Okay, sir. I'm just asking what you should be asked when you will be in the board. So that's why in such way I.
ଆମେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ପରେ ଆପଣ କହିଦେବୁ ଲେଟ୍ସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍
Okay,
ୱାନ୍
okay.
କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ଆମେ
Okay,
କହିଦେବୁ
okay,
ୱିଲ୍
sir.
ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ସମ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ୟୁ ହେଲା
Okay, sir. I should wait.
No, you should wait and
contact persons there
Means,
we'll help you out. You can.
don't
you will stay today for some
No,
time
you
after.
don't worry. You
don't worry, we'll take care.
Then how the dressing sense and the
Don't
way
worry,
of saying.
you are
Don't worry.
ସେଥିରେ don't
Okay, so how my words and how I could be more.
ସେଇଟା ତ ରାତି ଅଧରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିହବ ନା
Okay, okay.
ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ସେଇକୁ ମ୍ୟାନେଜ
So how
କରିବେ
I police?
ଚଳିବ ସବୁ କହିବେ।
Okay, okay, sorry.
ସେ ଆସୁ
Can I have it?
ମା ହେଉ you take
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
Thank
ୟୁ
you, sir.
ନହେଲେ ଏଠି ଦି ତିନିଟା ପାଇଁ ଦଉଛି
ଆରେ